Hey everybody, I am going to try the Chameleon pour just because I only recently heard about it and I watched a video and I'm not sold on the appearance, but it looked like fun. So this is a painting that I have had stored for a long time now that I thought was fairly boring. So I'm going to pour over it, and it also, there's a little piece of canvas missing right there. So it'll be a good piece to kind of practice this on. Alright. So I will lay the colors out. So I got Artist Loft Ultramarine. And a self-mixed violet. Yikes. I was going to use the magenta, but I'm actually going to switch that out to neon fluorescent pink because with the black, that should be really cool. Shake it all up. Whew, that is bright. Okay, and then let's put this like peachy color down. I'm kind of using all the colors that I need to get rid of. That has a lot of iridescent medium. It's kind of cool. Let's see, what other weird colors do I want to get rid of? I can do this yellow. So if the colors are messed up in this, it's because I'm just tossing random colors onto it. Oh, come on, lid. And I'm going to put on the bottom some color shift paint. Then the rest is going to be black. Let me move all this out of the way. And this black is a mix of a whole bunch of blacks. It's got like ivory black and metallic black, a whole bunch. And I poured way, way, way too much on. There's so much. That is good enough for now. Put that over there. Oops. Ugh. Maybe an experiment, but I still don't want paper towel. Alrighty. I'm just going to use this. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm afraid the black might be too thick. Well, it might be. As I said how thick I had it. Yes. Bummer. Not even sure if I, at this point, can do anything about that. Watch this whole experiment be messed up just because I did that. And I have a feeling it is. Man, that's really irritating. Except that I could do it again. A little bit differently. Alright, do over. Meh. So, got my treadmill silicone poured into here, and I brought down a thingy to, what the heck did I do to it? Oh my gosh, here it is. It came with like a hair dye. So I'm just going to dip it in here. Too much, obviously, because it's bleeding. Oh man, I don't have the patience for this. Okay, so as you can see, it is very easy to do. I did my swipe weird from the get-go. I like this part. I really like that part. I'm curious now, though, if it will bring the color out from under here. So it did bring the color out. Oh wow. I'm not doing this with any rhyme or reason, like, because I'm gonna wipe this anyways. It's just an experiment. But whoever's video I watched today said, so easy even on your first time. And she was right. This is like super easy. Let's see if we go over the same one. Oh, it's so much fun. It really is. I mean, had I actually taken the time to do a better swipe and to make these even, I gotta say, whoever came up with this, mighty clever. Very, very clever. Kudos to whoever came up with this idea. I never would have thought about adding silicone like that. Well, you know what, maybe I'll just fix that side. Yeah, I'm wondering what it'll do over here where there's already cells. Some people's are really uniform, but I don't have the patience for that. Very cool. All right. I take back what I said that I'm not that into you. That is super cool. So now and honestly, I could probably just the silicone is resisting on the sides. I'll show you what I mean. Well, here I'm just gonna. It's hard because had I been doing this for real, like not a practice, I would have painted the canvas black. But you can see, actually when When I bring the camera over, I will show you, because I'm actually not going to take the time to fix it because there's too much. Like this, as I said, is a sample. So it looks cool off the side. Very cool. But you can see the white spots. You can see it through. So, and even right here, it's resisting from the, so, I mean, this canvas was not properly prepared for this particular style. But it is way cool, isn't it? So yeah, so this was fun, and I may try and incorporate it into my own work, into my style somehow, because it is a pretty awesome pour. So thank you so much for watching. I will catch you next time. Bye. I forgot that I wanted to torch it to see what happened. So I'm going to hold it with one hand. All right. Nothing. Very interesting. Nothing really happened. So there's that. Bye.